Hey guys, so today we are unboxing the Boya Lavalier microphone micro cravate, and as you can see, this is the nomenclature, this is the name of the product. Some of the top features that Boya is advertising, is actually promoting, are the clip-on mic for smartphones. It's an omni-directional condenser microphone. It's got a high-quality condenser which is good for video use, low handling noise, includes lapel clip and LR44 battery. Without further ado, let's quickly unbox this. I've already opened the seal, as you can see, and this is the tiny pouch in which the Boya Lavalier microphone comes in. Along with this, you get a warranty card, and then you also get an instructions kit. Now this instructions kit will actually help you set up the microphone with any of your gadget. It could be your tablet, it could be your phone, it could be your camera, whatever the equipment will be. This is the instructions manual that you need to have in order to be able to set up your microphone. And let's see how it looks. This is how the microphone looks, and as you can see, I can clearly fit into one palm of my hand, and here's how it looks. It's got a very long cable which will actually help you in case you're shooting away from the camera or if you need to move a little bit. This is the clip which will ensure that the mic doesn't move. This is what the mic looks, a cylindrical shape, pretty different, I must say. This is the mic here, and this is the connector, and this is the mic shield. I have just put it on the mic. Now this is the mic shield. I've just put it on. You get a mic clip. You put it here and then you clip on your shirt or wherever it is that you want, and you'll be good to go. And besides this connector, you get another connector just in case your device doesn't support a small connector. So that's pretty much it. These are all the devices that you get along with the Boya Lavalier microphone. And for a more detailed 5-point review of the Boya Lavalier microphone, stay tuned to Amazon.com.